But first, our top story tonight, a long-awaited decision on COVID booster shots moves to the next step. An FDA advisory panel just gave a thumbs down on COVID boosters for the general public, at least for now, but it did approve a booster plan for a smaller group of Americans. So just who will be able to get that shot and when could we start seeing them offered here in Charlotte? WCNC Charlotte's Hunter Sines explains.
Friday, some of the nation's top scientists offered a dramatic denial.
Quick, it looks like all of the votes are in.
An FDA committee voted no booster shots for the general public, instead only approving boosters at least 6 months after the second shot for those 65 and older and those at high risk of getting severe COVID.
It's much more of a grey area for younger people, particularly under 50s. And that's what the debate is going to center around.
The few findings from research are not unanimous. Clinical research from Israel showed vaccine protection from infection does drop after 6 months, but remains highly effective in preventing hospitalization. But two FDA scientists wrote current evidence does not therefore appear to show a need for boosting in the general public.
Pretty much everything we know about those 3 doses is coming either out of Israel or the United Kingdom. We've not seen data come out of the United States.
The panel also taking into account the talk of a third shot, while many countries are still waiting for their first.
We have to do so much more than we're currently doing to help vaccinate the world's population.
Mecklenburg County health officials tell us they will wait to give booster shots until the CDC makes their final vote sometime next week. Meanwhile, the health director reminding some to get their first shot as others wait for their third.